have a Toyota. This is a 2006. It doesn't matter, Corolla, Toyotas, they're all the same door handles. If they look like that, it's the same door handle. And it's broke, whatever reason it's missing, whatever. First thing you're gonna have to do is take off the door panel. The door panel has two screws, one on the door handle and one on the the door handle to open the door, and the other door handle to close the door. All right, so it's that little thing there. All right, so I ordered a eBay handle, $6.84. You got to look at eBay because eBay's funny. They'll have a handle for $24 and they have the same handle for $6. So this one was $7. It came with both pieces. Now that I took off the door panel, I'm going to take off the latch. This one switch here, it goes for the automatic door lock. Next, to put this on, you have the bolt there. There's a bolt right here. This bolt. We're going to have to get a star with a little extension on it and come over here and tighten it up while you're holding the plastic piece on there. Can't do this while holding the phone, so I'm gonna have to do it now. Back together. Before you can put this piece on, you're gonna have to put the handle on, and it's pretty simple. Just put this one in the back end first, push it in, and then push to the right. Okay, show you again. See how I put it in all the way and go to the right. Now we're going to attach this so it can hold the handle from coming out. And how do we do that? We're going to have to get a star with an extension and come over here in the back and screw it in while holding that piece at the same time. Of course, I can't do this while holding the phone, so I'm gonna have to do it now. I screwed it in there, this piece in there, so now we have a good working door handle. Put it all back together just the way you took it off, brothers. This is Conquer Your Fear channel. It's a free channel. Subscribe. It helps us to survive and do these videos in the future. All right, take care. You got any questions or comments, don't hesitate to ask. If I can answer them, I'm not a professional, but if I can answer them, I will. All right, guys, girls, take it easy.